Please.
Ngicela ukuphendula ngesizulu mina bengishilo-ke lana sizelanga icala likababa. Siqale nje lapho into esiyizele lana isifundiwe. Ngicela sistikhe kulento esiyizele lana. Singakhulumi ngezinye izinto. Ngiyabonga.
Uzwele. Any more questions? No?
Awekho.
Ayizwakele ba. You're gonna ask me.
The Umkhonto weSizwe Party is never beating the allegations. It has been reported that the Umkhonto weSizwe Party Chief Whip Mabato Mokoena Zondi has been arrested on fraud charges. Hi everyone, or welcome back to the controversial podcast. In the early hours of this morning, it was reported that the MK Party Chief Whip has been arrested and the Hawk spokesperson Warrant Officer Zinzi Hani told the media that it is alleged that during August 2024 to December 2024, the suspect had hunted and recruited 4 individuals into the party as researchers, and during their employment, she demanded payments under the pretext it was for the legal cost of president of the same party, and further stated that in total, the suspect defrauded the members of approximately more than 233,000 rand. And she's going to make her first appearance in Cape Town Magistrate Court on Thursday. You know, I just don't understand the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. It's like they're cursed. Like really. They were given a chance in KwaZulu-Natal to govern that province. But what did they do? They did absolutely nothing. You can blame the ANC, the DA, and IFP for forming the provincial government of unity. But Umkhonto weSizwe Party never had a structure or whatsoever. I remember when they were supposed to swear in the members of that legislature in KwaZulu-Natal, they were busy fighting for the positions, and a lot of them went there, even though they knew that only 37 members that were needed from the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. Apparently, there was more than 37 members, and it was a big fight. We saw on the national TV all the media